see this behind that. This is the San Francisco airport. I just came out from the hotel after my conference. Just look around how the surroundings is. It's amazing. The people are extremely warm. That is the purpose I came to attend technologists, the research scientists from different universities, what is the applications of AI, ML, and data science in drug discoveries, machine learning, and wide range of not only in the pharmaceutical, FMCG. That is how it works, how the peoples are using, what are the progress, and which area is really which is working. There are difficulties. There are few areas you can say where the documentation is concerned, for regulatory documentation is concerned, and RA, that is product application submission is concerned. That is okay. There are regulatory, that is AI is facing, you can say, struggling. Many companies are struggling for that. In spite of that, that is AI data analyst, they are trying their level best to make it successful. So I came to know that is in this conference what is the latest technologies are using, latest update regarding the drug design, drug discoveries, and method development of the QC, and what is the role of AI also. That is QC quality control is concerned. That is how that is AI is helping for predictive analysis. The most successful area also the vision management system in the high speed automation for the packaging machines and injectable filling machines, and even though what that is AI can do, that is in the existing that is vision system. That is instead of buying the new machines, new updated machines, AI tools can that is possible to integrate in the existing system and enhance the overall efficiency of the our existing machines. So I will come up with many solutions, the latest update. That is I will try to give you. I'm going to Boston tomorrow with another conference, and I will get in touch. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe.